So this is our last lab working with fruit flies, and the idea is that of course you have to download the lab manual, and here you will find all the information for the lab report. So what I did here is to tell you that we are going to count some flies in the beginning. Then we will work with Excel, and I'm sure that many of you will not work with fruit flies in your professional life, but you will be working with Excel. So here I'm going to go to some tutorials to teach you how to use Excel to later use it to apply this chi-square. Why? Because although I'm sure that you will not work with fruit flies independent of if you go for medicine, biology, or to change completely your profession, you will be using Excel in one way or another one. Yeah, so we are going to go and see some of these tutorials. Why? Because previously I gave you all the information to work in Excel, but maybe in the final exam, generally I see only one person that learned how to do, and the other ones um, they still have a few problems. So I'm going to just try to help you. And uh, here you can download it from here. These are from the pre-class notes. You will find these. I took this from Microsoft Excel. Yeah, so all the information, all these video tutorials are divided into three: basic, here are intermediate, and here expert. So if you click in each one of these, you can see it, or you can go in this one. If you click here, you will go to the Excel. Same idea, and they only take 1 minute each one of those. Some of them, depending if you already have worked with Excel, maybe this one here is too easy for you. Yeah, so here this is the video that they will tell you what is Excel and how to open those things. So if you already have worked with Excel, you can say that this is too easy. However, for example, the formula is very important. How to work with charts, it will be important. And these are more for experts that also are very easy, but take a minute, and we will cover this during the class. Finally, let's go back. So hopefully these are divided here. Hopefully this can be useful. And in class we can have this in-class exercise. Yeah, that if we have time now or we have time later. Let me just minimize this here. And if you open that Excel table, they give you this. It's an exercise that it teach you how to add numbers. Yeah, and here are the explanation. Pretty easy. Yeah, it will teach you all these tasks that are so useful, and sometimes they are they do you know how to do it, like how to turn this table that is in a horizontal position, how to turn it, copy and paste it, and turn it into a vertical position, and it's pretty easy. Okay, so we will solve this in the lab. If you want, you can solve it also by yourself, depending on how much time you have, and hopefully this will be useful when you work in your lab report. Here, if you see here, and for your lab report, I also create a video, and here are the example of the calculations that you will have to do during your lab report. Okay, I hope that everything was clear. If you have any question, just let me know.